We'll continue to follow how the attorney generals around the country are responding to Jan 6th and the fake electors to protect the integrity of their election process state by state right here on the Midas Touch Network and on Legal AF. We bring it to you on a podcast we call Legal AF. We call it for a reason. It's on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And then we do live versions of anything that's happening and breaking at the intersection of law and politics. And we do it right here. The attorney generals should not be forgotten. They're an important part of our criminal justice system. They have different powers, of course, depending upon what their state legislatures have given them in terms of powers, what their constitutions have given them in terms of powers. Some of them have a lot of criminal powers and can indict when things like election law is at risk or election process integrity is being undermined. Other attorney generals, like the one in New York, Letitia James, by her constitution, frankly, can only really focus on civil enforcement matters, could be substantial, like the $465 million civil fraud judgment against Donald Trump. They can regulate civilly and for major disgorgement and fines and penalties and damages, but she has very limited criminal prosecution powers. That's really given to the local district attorneys in a state like New York. But anyway, a little bit of a teachable moment here about how the attorney general process works in the United States, state by state. We'll bring it all to you until my next hot take, like this one, until my next Legal AF. This is Michael Popak reporting. Heary, heary, Legal AF Law Breakdown is now in session. Go beyond the headlines and get a deep dive into the important legal concepts you need to know and we discuss every day on Legal AF. Exclusive content you won't find anywhere else, all for the price of a couple of cups of coffee. Join us at patreon.com/legalaf. That's patreon.com/legalaf.